In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do group scheduling in Calendly. Whether you're organizing a team meeting, a workshop, or a group consultation, Calendly's user-friendly interface makes it easy to coordinate everyone's schedules efficiently. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. If you already have an account, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your email address. Once you've typed in your email, click Continue. Next, enter your password and then click Continue again to access your Calendly account. Now that you're logged in and on the home page, you'll see a variety of options. Focus your attention on the Create button. Clicking on it will bring up several event type options. For this tutorial, we'll be working with the group event type, as our goal is to bring together multiple people for one meeting. Simply select group and you're ready for the next step. It's time to personalize your event. Start by giving your event a name. This could be anything relevant to the meeting's purpose, like team strategy session or quarterly review. Next, think about how long the meeting should last and set the duration accordingly. With the duration set, you'll need to decide on the location. Calendly offers multiple options such as phone calls, Google Meet, or Zoom. Choose the location that suits your needs best and ensure it aligns with the preferences of your invitees. Now let's focus on availability. Set specific days and times when you're available to host the meeting. This might be a recurring slot each week or just for specific dates. Be sure to account for different time zones if your group is spread across various regions. Following availability, determine how many people you'd like to invite by setting an invitee limit. This ensures that the group size is manageable and fits the purpose of your gathering. If your event requires a certain number of hosts, you can also set the host for the event here. This is particularly useful if you're co-hosting with colleagues or partners. Once you're happy with all these settings, the event name, duration, location, availability, invitee limit, and host, it's time to finalize everything. Scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. This will save your group event and make it ready to share with your intended invitees. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a group scheduling event in Calendly. Now you can easily coordinate with your team or guests, making sure everyone's on the same page and ready to engage. Thanks for following along and happy scheduling.